episode of Keep Them Talking. We'll be discussing topics, like hot topics like Matthew, Hurricane Matthew. Definitely, we want to dig up in Tamil, is it a DM saga? And definitely we'll be discussing Gully Bop and MRE. You don't know me if I touch the overseas scene. The big thing right now is that Drake break up with Rihanna for a reality star. We'll be telling you more about that. And then you also have the Kim Kardashian's robbery. Apart from that though, for this week I have two special guests in studio with me who will be helping to discuss these topics as well as telling me about their upcoming venture. So you don't know, go to a break, stay tuned and come back for this.
You just bounce from the beat, go.
Welcome to another episode of Keep Them Talking. You don't know it's your girl Pixii. Yeah, I'm kind of vexed to do no come realize I don't send me no tin mackerel when the storm come. Una ain't sorry for me. Una even check if me alright. Yeah, but you don't know this week I have two special guests for my show. I have Nick and I have Jolly. Yeah, Nick and Jolly. And they're both from an upcoming series to be shot here in MoBay. The series is called Girls of MoBay. But you don't know, but go talk to them some more, so you're going to hear more about the series.
You just bounce from the beat, go.
Alright, so last week we got some news that we were getting a hurricane. This hurricane called Matthew. Yeah, boy, them said it's going to reach by Saturday, then we hear say Sunday, and then we hear say Monday. And then all of we run go a supermarket and spend up a bag of money and miss a chin. Yeah, me know see someone want to buy up all sorts of candle and all these things, you know. And then Matthew decides say nobody want to come here. I guess he never want to see me. It's bad, don't it? So, me don't know. Me realize enough I want to cuss. What want to cuss for? Someone want to pray, someone want to cuss. Me confused. Don't want to confuse about this thing too. Them want to views from this hurricane thing, because I want if people me hear attack. I mean, definitely why you wanna think. I mean, Sunday you say it's a come, don't it?
Yes, I was listening to the radio and this lady was saying that she wanted it to come, so because she have never experienced one before. I'm guessing she's not from here.
Well, boy, if I the same lady when I watch the video with on Facebook where I said she never experienced a hurricane and she fly down from England to experience a hurricane. Why I tell us there's no way she come from England, because no me no hear the accident at all, because I don't accept that. So I can't see you that talk about somebody else, don't you?
No, not her.
So you just spend up no money and buy nothing?
Oh, I know some granny. But I need to tin food and I complain. I know she can't feed a whole army. About it.
No, the Jamaican people are serious still. Different facts say people actually run up and down and go buy up a bag of things. Why them take the me have a feeling say the gimmicks because Matthew you know bother come here because me see one video yo where that video there something where Matthew come in and Jamaica tell him say yo don't come here no star, don't come here. Matthew say yo you can't tell me nothing. Yo, why we Jamaican people stay so? Everything we take make joke. A serious business. When you see video?
Saw the video is very funny.
I'm gonna tell you man when me see video my last 10 minutes nearly dead. What?
You just bounce from the beat, go.
See, but still, when you look at the devastation of Guana 80 still, you really have to consider and thank God say Matthew never come here. Definitely. We know say on the parents, because parents are supposed to Christian and godly. Them pray and them glad say it not come here, but yeah, me literally see people are quarrel and I say, yo, me spend so much money and buy up food and buy up this and do that and batten down place and then the hurricane no come. Boy, hurricane scam we. And that's a new talk.
You just bounce from the beat, go.
Alright, so a little me up on social media scroll with it and then me just see a bag of messages, yeah, a bag of screenshots, some message and boy, when me read it, me I see Tamil Sparta. Yeah, boy, Tamil go down in a somebody DM and nothing normal. Paris start off a beg some sex and then move from that all the way to a make threat. It's a whole mix-up thing because after all of that one me hear boy say I hack somebody hack him account. Boy, I don't know, you know, that one they kind of serious. I don't know, when you see the text them?
I saw the text.
Wanna get from this? Wanna get from this? Wanna feel like it's a Tommy thing or somebody has set him up?
to me personally, it's something that people normally say about him, that he approached girls a certain way, somewhat sexual. But I think that if it is him, the female, if she hadn't approached him so forcefully at first, then he wouldn't have talked to her the way that he did. But though every female have their rights, to oppose against certain stuff, so she's right to say what she did, but not so forcefully, because I wouldn't have done that.
But a big man never still, certain things that she say, she shouldn't have said to the man still. Me not lie. We kind of feel like there's a line. And the fact is that, after you're done tell a man, say, yo, stop text my phone. Me feel like if me tell a man, say, yo, stop text my phone, me go block you and delete you. So you can't text my, but every time him text something, she answer. So obviously you wanted the conversation. Yes, you wanted the conversation. You wanted, and then the fact that you go post it, means a hype you the look. I saw me see it. Me can't say no differently. Because me I tell you, me, a queen of block and delete. I'll come here, you're a good friend. I like the song where you sing block and delete. And me that. The minute you me off, you will get blocked the hell and delete. So the minute you say something that to me that I don't like, you definitely go get blocked and delete.
You just bounce from the beat, go.
No. That what time I do still, I never support that still. And the girls say, no. Enough this is
But are the girls for start this man, I tell the man about the man I perform certain sexual activities. I mean, know as a man, you go make a girl, put a girl in her place for her, she bring that up to you. Whether you do it or not, you're going crush her spirit, don't it?
That one, I'm not sure.
Well, still that, yeah, him did pass him, yeah, me think him pass him place there so still. I really think him pass him place to threaten a woman and then something there. But boy, me don't lie. As a female, me know if you pick my war them, seriously. Me know if you pick my war them, and certain type of people and certain type of man, me not pick no argument to them. The minute them start move to me certain way, me just cut them off. Plain and simple as that. What you would think? If a man take your phone like that, yeah, you're going block and delete him. You're going to tell him, say, yo, this is, you're the pass the place.
You just bounce from the beat, go.
So Tommy, I don't know, so you go get a copy of the show. You go watch it. So you don't know. What I want you to do, if you feel like it, come forward. Make we have a discussion for make we hear your side of the story. Because as we don't know, we don't hear say, boy, you say somebody hack your account. We definitely want to know it go. So you don't know which part me there, you know who to link. Forward and make we talk about this. See me?
You just bounce from the beat, go.
Alright, so you don't know me have to keep up in everybody's business. Yeah, so me I read a little thing the other day when me I hear say, hey, Marie says she don't want back Gully Bop. Wow, you just realize saying he had no teeth, so now you don't want him no more? No, Marie, you're serious. What me really want to know what go on with your Gully Bop. Because we the, yeah, I don't really think about the other day how she make him get arrested saying come a foreign, come beat her up and then something there.
So what go on for chin?
Boy, I mean, I look like Gully Bop, I go take up back chin and still. Nah, because I know Chin never, although the war go on the thing and man Chin got station, him never actually get arrested, but I don't know. I was so special about you, Marie, that you make Gully Bop go to jail. And quote, I'll fine him what? 1500 US?
1500 US.
No, it's a whole heap of money that.
You just bounce from the beat, go.
Gully Bop fans are lash out. Them really acquire because they must say, yo, she ruined Gully Bop career. One thing, I don't really think that Marie ruined Bop career or Bop just depends some other kind of vibes.
I think it's her. Because if she didn't do what she have done, then it wouldn't have been the way that it is now.
Boy, yeah, if you say Gully Bop kind of wrong thing, okay, you can't look come on a foreigner and get away with nothing still.
Yeah, that's true. But also she made a few quotes that he didn't mention about being back with her, but honestly, to me, I think he wants to get back together, but she really doesn't want it. I'm not sure why, still trying to find out. I'm not sure.
You just bounce from the beat, go.
I say still, Gully Bop should stay upon the levels.
Boy, I don't know. It depends on what you see as Gully Bop levels. Because Chin is a nice girl. Chin is a nicer girl. The Marie from my perspective. I don't know if I see and view my fans them well, but Chin is a way nicer girl. And me not think Chin did depend it well. I think like where Marie did depend. So is it that Chin is a higher level and a better level and Gully Bop need for the up there so? Or it need for just low Marie and everybody else? Is that the case?
Probably too much pressure.
Too much pressure? Well, which part the pressure come from? Is it a fact that the music the pressure come from, or the woman pressure? Because him seem to feel like say him need to have a woman inside. Because even after chin him having baby mother give him problem. Some young girl will go breed him, have a next girl will text chin and say him take much money from him, MRE. So it depends on where you consider pressure come from to, you know.
Man need a comfort in my life. Man have to take care of.
Well, that too. Well, you don't know. Every great man have a great woman side. It's just that I think Gully Bop make the wrong choices when it comes to woman.
You just bounce from the beat, go.
So I don't know. What go on, Bop? You need to go back down in a struggle again to come back. Is that the case? That just can't happen, man. That just not logical right now. But yeah, me feel if he marry such a get licked. Cause a woman, me no want a man put their hand for me. Me no want a man put their hand for me. Sister me. No, but I think, in my opinion, I think they could have resolved it better than this court thing. Cause yeah, right now people are friends probably don't even want to book back because they must say boy is a woman, him is a womanizer and him is an abuser and all of them something there. And then again, it also reach a point where we have to preem to say when he must say the things with chin, with the padlock business. Remember saying that defend himself and say nothing no go so. Now this beckons if you believe say I look into it and I say yo, you know. Him did really abuse chin for true, don't it?
Well, I say, brother, get some bites still, you know. And them bite, they big, you know, man.
Maybe it's something that he's used to since he have done it with chin before and then no MRE, then it's something that he's used to.
Or maybe my lash out or something. I don't know.
Yeah, that's some serious problem.
You feel like he under some stress?
Definitely.
You just bounce from the beat, go.
You know, you're no new tune from Bop, we not see Bop on the show. Right now, in all honesty, you make Tanto Black's phone take away your lights. I not lie. Him definitely take away your little minutes of fame. So you really need to push up back yourself back. You need to forward on the show. Make we know what's going on with you. If no new thing out there, send me new thing, make we play because you don't know.
Don't rebuild yourself, man.
Yeah, you need to come make we know what's going on. You don't know. Link there at the bottom of the screen, you can always link we up and make we know what's going on.
You just bounce from the beat, go.
Alright, so for this week's music video review, I will be reviewing a new video by S01E04. Yeah, so this week me kinda go reggae and not dancehall or hip hop or any of those. It's definitely a nice video. The video is called Taxi Driver. Song and video is called Taxi Driver. It was partially edited and filmed by Encode Studios and Reech Multimedia. So yeah, definitely my station are going with things. But definitely people, the song is a very nice song. Yeah, you really get your listening, when you hear it, you definitely want to listen to it. And then the video was very interesting. Everything in the song match up with the video perfectly. I mean, it's when I talk about him baby, say him want come home to him baby, and him call him taxi driver to come home to come pick him up at the airport or wherever him there. You see all of that I get played out in there. Quality of the video was very, very good. Yes. Audio was also very good. Effects were superb. Definitely. Big up the team who edit the video and do a good job. I mean, even the drone footages, yeah, because you don't know, all of the reggae people, them reggae artists, dancehall artists, them definitely incorporate the drone footage them in a them thing, and it definitely look good. Me definitely like the locations them where them choose for each of them. But yeah, it is a very good video, it's a very good song, and I would advise you guys to take a prep on it. You don't know, me always show you a little thing, so take a watch.
Taxi driver, well now. I wanna go home to my baby.
You just bounce from the beat, go.
Alright, so you don't know, me have to touch the overseas scene and tell you all I want overseas. So, read up a little scoop the other day, yeah. So me hear say Drake dump Rihanna for one reality TV star named India Love. Me kind of feel away because after last week, I boost up the man say hurry up and have baby and get married. Now me I say man left. What kind of foolishness this?
Think Drake get married already?
Who you think he married to? So wait there. After they did on MTV, I was a kiss the other day. You think they did married the day after?
Of course.
Well then.
So them are going.
That's true too. And then again, Rihanna hot girl. Rihanna the original bad girl. You don't expect if a nigga get that. You not go left that, don't it?
You just bounce from the beat go.
And also, they have been saying that she has been following in Riri's footsteps, not for the first time, because also her ex from before, that is Cliff, she was dating him just before she started going out with Drake. But why she keep following in Riri's footsteps? Like, this is the second time.
No. That's how I will different saga. No, cause if you I gotta date the woman, all of the woman ex. What kind of style that? No, sir.
You wanna be just like her?
So last time never you say two of them the break up. Over Nicki Minaj, Saga.
No man, Rihanna and Drake, we never really hear the thing about them and a breakup over Nicki. Because everybody don't know. It kind of funny for me because seriously, me think say Drake and Nicki did end up together. Like seriously. I mean, him literally sing, say boy, any nigga when Nicki left, him the next in line. I don't know if you remember that song there. Him say, yeah, him next in line. So me seriously did not expect him to end up with a Nicki, me not lie. And that's a, yeah, true, it's a very long line. But I mean, when you look at it, I think Papi, I really think Champion Papi have the charisma and the charm. I really think he matched Rihanna, seriously.
You just bounce from the beat go.
But what you need to understand is this. The problem is not with Drake, you know. The problem is with Rihanna because Drake is a smart guy. Look at him profile from him coming at the industry. Real smart man with smart move. He can get an unknown girl to go live a normal life. Rihanna now they run down this bag of celebrity man from Justin Bieber to what is the other one name to Chris Brown, all of them. Rihanna been through the most celebrity guys in the industry. So what she need to do against smart no one is what they do and nobody and then our life become perfect.
Well, funny enough, yeah, wanna make me have a guess, but he wants to stay behind the scenes, so you just hear him voice. So yeah, pon that still. Pon that still. Me think, it kinda sound that way too, but funny enough, when Rihanna and Chris were together, as me mentioned on last week's show, Rihanna was the one who actually wanted kids and a family and settle down. She wanted to get married.
One bag of drama.
Well,
yeah.
if you get wise, there's no settling down when it comes to celebrity. The stardom life, you can't sit down the stardom life. Look at Brad Pitt and Angelina.
Oh, as you mentioned, that is my next topic.
You just bounce from the beat go.
Based on where we are here,
Yeah.
Brad is being abusive, and not to Angelina, but to the kids.
Said if the picnic had the children, no problem.
Well, after we culture, don't it? Feel like a pitney and nothing can do about it.
You just bounce from the beat go.
Women have no control over.
You hear big things man go on with.
But be things like what? Like what exactly you hear? Me want to know where you hear.
As me say, you can't take hearsay still, so me no want.
No, you can't take hearsay, but you don't know. You have to bring them out and then people will come and clarify, say this is facts and this is fiction.
For instance, hearsay man do jokes. Me don't know if it's true. That's something I'm hearing, so I'm not too one going at that.
Yeah, me tell you, this is the platform for bring up all of that. This is where you bring up all of that. So anything where you hear, you let out it, make it known. All people can do, is come and say, yeah, this goes so, or yeah, no, this not go so. Simple and that, because me hear the same thing. Me hear say my drink and all of them something there. Me hear say, all right, 3 of the kids them biological, 3 of them no biological.
Nothing go so. What go happen to them?
What? In terms of if nothing no go so, nothing can happen. Why is all people going to come forward and say, this is true and this is a lie?
Yes,
simple as that.
It's a gossip show, so it's all about rumors and conflict and mix up, so just let it out.
Talk what you feel, talk what you hear. Give me your opinion on what you think about the thing. Plain and simple as that.
You just bounce from the beat go.
If we should jump back to Rihanna and the Drake situation, what Rihanna needs to do, Rihanna just needs to come to Jamaica one day with Papi. One day go try some Jamaican man and her lifestyle will change. Her lifestyle will change. And trust me, she would find she would have stopped a man problem.
Get some of my Jamaicans die.
Yeah, she would have stopped a man problem.
So when you say Drake need to find a Jamaican girl to come, me definitely da give the chance. No, me not tell you don't lie.
Well, but it's up to you, because no man come here and take with the woman.
Well, let's have no man out there. You know so much killing that go another be a man dead. We need some man in over here to do it.
Still not some man out there, because
Enough man there Jamaica.
enough man still there.
You just bounce
feel so they match. That's my opinion. Me know what you know. Me know that's my opinion. Me feel like they match. Me feel like them have a nice thing going. And the fact that them keep it on a low level for so long, and then them just bring out it just show. It just works.
Never feeling say Drake can't control Rihanna. Rihanna need a butt tug in. I'm on a rough and thing, you see me? Angular.
Well, that's a true.
What a yardie.
I thought that they were going to settle down and have kids together, but I'm wrong.
Well, that was what I wanted. And if you watch the show last week, you'd hear me say definitely want them to marry and have kids.
Talk about that, probably the reason Rihanna not come to Jamaica because she realized it was probably too rough. You remember Ram Pam? She couldn't have killed the man.
Oh my.
Well, yo, it's a whole different thing. We don't to understand what's going on with them people here still, but we don't love to really know. You know, we don't love to just see things just work out for the two of them. Rihanna a nice girl, and she a go under bag of things because she have her line, her Fenty line with Puma, and she da promote it. And I kind of wonder if the work take her away from Drake, and Drake just decide to just do a one thing, and she.
Work.
Well, that too. Of course, hello, we are ladies, and we want our own thing. We don't want to depend on us. Some of us are they are mean again. Yes, me they say it. Some of them are mean and I like give woman money, so we have to work for our own. So yeah, probably that's why. Probably at work still. The fact that she at work.
Feel good when a woman comes to you and say, baby, you know, some shot or some shopping for you money.
Oh please,
For me, I personally think that this old relationship thing should be 50-50 and not him alone providing things. But I want to do it also. That's my opinion. I want to do it also.
Me positive say in the world, Rihanna and Drake is not 50-50. It's 100-100. Every man for himself. Rihanna having dirty money, Drake having dirty money. The most them probably do are just buy each other birthday presents.
Sharing that.
You know, I mean, I support two positive, one for poor and one for rich. It goes good. What we need to look on is this. Look on, check it from an angle. Probably when last I see Drake and Chris Brown do a collaboration together. When last was that?
Long time.
Long time.
The latest collaboration him actually have it with French Montana. And
right.
Seriously, me never too fancy the video, me not lie.
Oh.
Me never too fancy it.
Okay, then from Drake and Chris Brown now, then no problem, got everything.
You just bounce from the beat go.
I don't know, on the shout again, we have Tony Baxton being in the hospital. I don't know if we send we shout out to her. Hope she get well soon. I don't know, you didn't know say Tony and Birdman a date?
That coming up on news too.
Yeah man, Tony Braxton and Birdman literally, you know, put down everything aside and they're hospital with him girl.
No wonder he lose his first court case with Drake, with Lil Wayne. Because Lil Wayne win the first case was court case rather than...
Never done the family feud.
No man, the family feud just a start. The family feud is between Birdman and his son Lil Wayne, as him call him. It just a start. Things just get eat up.
You just bounce from the beat go.
Alright, so on the buzz right now, it was out there that Kim Kardashian was robbed $10 million worth of jewelry in Paris. I mean, it's big week in Paris, a whole heap of fashion show and all of that and them stuff there. And I don't know if I don't really fully get the understanding of it because I really wonder how come three man end up in our hotel room. Them not have a security guard and them thing there at the hotel to make sure so nobody no go in and nobody room. These men were in masks and them take off all the way she did have on her. Kanye literally stop him middle line concert in New York and actually have a fly, go comfort her and all of them something there. She actually was worried that they were going to rape her. 3 man.
For them in business.
It's very strange to me because normally there's a security guard at the door, not one but two. So that's very strange to me. And also they said that they pointed gun at her head.
Yeah, it kind of make you wonder if it's a setup thing.
I think so.
You just bounce from the beat go.
Definitely kind of weird to me. I mean, one thing.
I think it's set up because normally you have to be staying at the hotel or working there to actually be there to actually, you know, like go certain places and there's no way.
They want to fix all the light and I was walking.
Well, all that too, but you don't know. Over the kind of stay away when it comes, especially places where celebrity I see. I mean, what happened to Kim Bodyguard them? Seriously, that is the next question. What happened to Kim Bodyguard them? What them did they?
Steer them off and tell them to take a smoking break, probably a juice break.
That too, but why I feel a way about it? I feel a way about it because I definitely wouldn't like no man to hold me up with a gun. And the fact is that she said she felt like they were going to rape her. I mean, I can't imagine how she feel at that point.
And that's the main problem right there.
Me is a big, me can tell you straight up, when it comes to them something there, me very big about them. Me get irritable when it comes to that.
They just bounce from the beat, go.
But I'm glad to see Kanye being a good husband and whatever, him put him wife before money, before everything. I'm sure now say him fans must understand at that point that, hey, my wife get robbed, I'm going to need to go party there. Me not get no detail as to if the kids were there with her. Normally kids are with her at whatever hotel she is, so I never really get no detail if the kids them did there and all of that. But it's not look good. Definitely.
Kanye, West, respect you for that. Support the woman through all the time. She could have get shot. Probably a man or thief a touch off her breast 2 times. You know what could happen. Big you up on that one, there's him boss.
They just bounce from the beat, go.
So for this week movie review, instead of actually reviewing a movie that has already been on the scene or has just been released, I will be speaking with my guests, Jolly and Nick, about the upcoming series, which is Real Girls of MoBay. Yeah, as I say, Real Girls of MoBay is something coming out of MoBay. So, Jolly,
Yes.
Tell me a little bit about Real Girls.
So the name says it all. It's basically 4 females that live here in MoBay and their lives and how they actually interact with each other.
Okay, so is it a reality series or what?
It's a drama series, but not a full-blown reality show.
Okay, so will it have violence, sex and stuff like that in it?
Actually, it will be about stuff that is happening now, but it will be PG-13, so it will not be too graphic.
Okay, that sounds good. Will it only be shot in Montego Bay?
No, it will be like in neighboring communities and such like other parishes as well.
Sounds very interesting. Are auditions closed?
No, they're not closed. Well, for major roles, yes, they are, but for minor roles, no. They're still open.
Okay, when you say minor role, could you explain that a little bit?
So minor roles is basically someone that will not be shown too frequent in the series, but they might show 1 or 2 times, or maybe in the background.
Sounds very interesting. So are these roles for both sexes?
Yes.
Both. So the casting crew needs both male and female.
Yes.
Okay, sounds very good. So how can someone who is interested in becoming a part of the show, contact you guys?
Okay, so they can contact us at reachtv@gmail.com or follow us on Instagram at reachtv, or add us on Facebook, Reech TV Jamaica.
Okay, sounds very good. Apart from acting, what do you guys do otherwise?
Okay, so I'm a model, I'm an architecture student. I do makeup, graphic designing, fashion designing. Basically, that's me.
You wear a lot of hats.
Yes.
Well, I sell for my mother, I'm really in the business, but that's what I do when I have nothing to do, but I'm a footballer.
Okay, sounds very good. You don't know, we definitely have to keep eyes out, keep our ears out for the show. By the way, when is it going to be aired?
Actually, we're not sure, but sometime this year.
Sometime this year, okay. Well, definitely. Okay. Well, definitely, people, you have to look out for this new series coming out. As they said, it was advertised as a reality series, but it's more of a drama series, kind of true to life, something that probably, in other words, it's somewhat reality and somewhat a bit of drama. You can definitely keep an eye out for that. Listen out for it. You don't know what the social media going to buzz with it, and you don't know me. Definitely going to make you guys know what I'm going to do. So keep your eyes out for that, okay?
You just bounce from the beat, go.
Okay guys, so thank you again for watching another episode of Keep Them Talking. You don't know me, I have to big up my guests them and thank them for pass through Jolly
No problem.
and Nick. And you don't know they're from Real Girls of MoBay. Keep your eyes out for that as well. People, remember, if you have anything to tell me, you want to watch a show, we have a YouTube page. Watch, like, subscribe, and that's on Reech TV. Yeah, go in your thing, your YouTube thing, and type in Reech TV. Watch, like, and subscribe. Also share it so that all of your friends them can watch it. As well as me have the Facebook page, which is Keep Them Talking. So you don't know me, I listen to hear from you because who knows, one of you might just say something and I might invite you to be a part of the panel. You don't know. Thanks for watch. Keep Them Talking next week.
Everything plug in, no plug out.